Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install the Boxbollen app. So let's get started. So to download and install that app, you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an Android user, you should must use your Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, you should use your Apple Store. So here I will just open my Google Play Store and I will directly search for the app. So here I will just search for the Boxbollen app, as you can see here. So here we can see the app at the top. You can click on the install button and it will automatically download and install. So by this way you can just download and install the app in your device, and you can also get this app from here as well. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.